What's poppin', everybody? Let's make some popcorn, but on the stovetop. Making stovetop popcorn can be really intimidating, but trust me, it's not as hard as you think. It'll cost less, taste better, and you can customize whatever amount you want. This is what you'll need. You'll need a pot with heat-proof handles, and it's okay if you don't because, oven mitts exist. Of course, for kernels, we're gonna use only the best, which is going to be our extra large mushroom kernels by Dell Cove Spices and more. And no, it's not mushroom flavored, that'd be weird. It's because of the shape of the popcorn once it's popped. For oil, butter might be the obvious option because of buttered popcorn, but we actually want to stray away from butter or oils such as extra virgin olive oil because we need an oil that can get really hot without scorching. A good choice would be a neutral flavored oil such as canola, vegetable, peanut, and in this case, we're going to be using coconut oil. A question we get asked a lot is how much oil do we actually need? Generally, it's based on the size of your pot. You want to have a thin coat of oil so it just covers the bottom of your pot. Now that we have everything that we need, let's get to popping. We are going to add our oil to the pot. Beautiful. We're going to turn this to a high heat and let this heat up. A good way to check if your oil is up to temp is by tossing in a few kernels. And if they pop, you're good to go. And if not, just wait a little bit longer. Then we're going to toss the lid on. For a big bowl, we recommend a 1/3 cup or 70 grams. We're going to add our kernels to the pot. We recommend a lid that has some venting to it. If not, you can always slightly tilt your lid off. Now we're going to give our pot a good old shake. Now you're not quite done yet. Every 15 seconds or 30 seconds, popcorn is going to need a little bit of motivation to keep going. Keep shaking. Maybe a few words of encouragement. You got this. I'm really proud of you. Now, once there's about a 1 second lag, your popcorn is good to go. You're gonna remove this off the heat. We are going to grab a bowl that is large enough for all of the corn that you have popped. All right, now we are going to transfer this to the bowl. Now that it's transferred to a large bowl, we're gonna go ahead and add whatever flavoring we want. Dell Cove Spices has a very large variety of spices and flavorings to choose from. You can add however much you want. It's up to you, it's your life, treat yourself. As always, be sure to like and follow us for more popcorns, tips, tricks, and recipes. Cheers. I missed again.